Hello everyone and welcome to this comparison between Coursera and Udemy. Which online learning site should you choose? Well, Coursera and Udemy are two of the biggest names in online learning, but they have different approaches. We're going to break down their key features, pricing, pros and cons to help you decide which platform is the best fit for your learning style and goals. You'll find the links to both Coursera and Udemy in the description down below. Starting with the features of Coursera. University-backed courses. Coursera partners with top universities and institutions. Degrees, specializations, and certificates. Coursera offers structured learning paths with credentials. It also offers in-depth learning. Courses often involve assignments, peer reviews, and exams. Subscription options. Coursera Plus provides access to many courses. Then we have Udemy. With a vast course library, it has a huge selection of courses on virtually any topic. Expert instructors. Instructors are often professionals in their field. Self-paced learning. You can learn at your own speed with Udemy. Then you have individual course purchases. You get to buy individual courses or subscribe to Udemy Business. Now, when it comes to the pricing, we're going to start with Coursera. You have individual courses with varying prices, often in the range of $49 to $79 in range. You have specializations and professional certificates starting around $49 per month. Then you have master track certificates starting at $2,000. The degrees range from $9,000 to $50,000. When it comes to the Coursera Plus, you have a $59 per month payment and an annual of $399 per year. Now here's our recommendation. For learners seeking structured, in-depth learning with credentials, the Coursera Plus annual plan offers the best value if you plan to take multiple courses. Then you have Udemy. Individual courses range from $19.99 to $199, and they often come with discounts. Now, when it comes to the plans, you have the personal plan and the team plan. The personal plan is at $20 per month, and you also have a 7-day free trial. The team plan also has a free trial, but this comes at $30 per month. Now here's our recommendation. For learners seeking a wide variety of courses at affordable prices, purchasing individual courses as needed is a popular approach. And now to comparative pros and cons. Starting with the pros with Coursera, you have high quality university-backed content, structured learning paths with credentials, and it's great for career advancement. Udemy has high selection of courses, affordable prices, self-paced learning, and practical skills-based courses. On the flip side, with the cons, Coursera can be more expensive than Udemy, and you have a more time commitment required. Udemy, on the other hand, with the cons, has course quality variations, and it is less structured than Coursera. The credentials may not be as widely recognized. In conclusion, you can go ahead and choose Coursera if you're looking for a rigorous university-level courses, structured learning paths, and recognized credentials to advance your career. You can go ahead and choose Udemy if you want a vast selection of courses at affordable prices, self-paced learning, and a focus on practical skills. So, are you ready to start your learning? Go ahead and check the link in the description to explore Coursera and Udemy further and see where the paths take you. Let us know if you found this insightful in the comment section below, and thanks for watching.